Okay, there's the freaking hole I gotta climb up through to get up in here. There's one of my lights here. Luckily I got a pathway through, but I'm gonna work my way back. Gonna be a couple things here, but anyway, this is up in the attic of GPR, so climb over this damn gas line here. Set myself up some lights because I've got a couple weeks worth of work up here, and here's a bunch of shit that I've torn out and replaced. But a lot of stuff here that I gotta get cleaned up and worked on. But let's see if I can go back here just a little bit. Been up and down a ladder about 500 times the last 3 days. And then see where my flashlight's at here. See if this will help out a little bit. Yeah, we'll see. Anyway, one of the guys likes air conditioners, so I'll set the light up over here and I'll show you this air handler that's up here. But if you look all the way up front and see the light up front up there, from there to the back of that crawl space that I just came up, I think is around 100 feet. And I'll get a view of all this ductwork and crap that I gotta climb over. I gotta climb over that thing and go over all this rafters and shit like that. One good thing is it's about 90 out today, and my guess is it might be around 70, 72 up here. So anyway, I gotta get some of this stuff hooked up here real quick so I can get out of their way, and then I'll move that light over there, and I'll get that shot of that air handler for you, bud.